Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure your ice cream maker bowl is frozen solid, typically requiring at least 24 hours in the freezer. Having all components chilled ensures the best texture. Next, we'll create the rich cream base. In a large bowl, combine the 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until you can no longer feel any sugar granules. Then, gently stir in 1 tablespoon of high-quality vanilla extract. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight to ensure it's perfectly cold. Now for the exciting part, churning. Pour your well-chilled ice cream base into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Turn on the machine and let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, the mixture will gradually thicken, transforming into a delightful soft-serve consistency. It's crucial to follow your specific machine's instructions for optimal results and to avoid over-churning, which can make the ice cream less smooth. Finally, it's time to firm up your delicious creation. Carefully transfer the freshly churned, soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firm consistency. For the best serving experience, let it sit out for a few minutes before scooping. Now, you can savor your perfectly homemade, rich, and creamy vanilla ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.